Hello, in this video we're going to talk about the resume settings section of APDL. I'm going to go ahead and open the resume section now. In the resume settings section here we have several options. Each one of these is going to allow you to customize the data contained in each one of these particular segments of your resume. APDL offers several different resume formats, and each one of these will be formatted in slightly different location on the page depending on the layout of resume you choose. I'm not going to read through all these, but contact info, it's pretty basic. You put in your contact info there. The objective, this is some sample information that's just put in there from the start to kind of get you going in the right direction. Certifications, what your license certificates are, ratings, any type of anything additional you want to put in there. Flight experience, this is going to use logbook data that you actually have entered in APDL. This is where the past flight time entry area of each aircraft type in the aircraft settings section will come into play, and your resume will automatically be updated within APDL as you log more flights in APDL and keep your totals for flight time updated all the time in your resume. And the idea here is that at any given time somebody needs your resume, you can export it and there your resume is good to go, up to date. You don't have to sit down and do any calculations to get it caught up first. Then an addendum down here if you want to add any additional information, of course. Summary is a quick view of here's what data APDL has currently using the logbook data, just for you to review. Education, pretty self-explanatory. Work history, this is going to be a history of all the airlines you have entered into APDL. If you'll remember from the airline section, we have the option for entering a current employer and employment dates, as well as previous employers and employment dates. And then references if you want to enter those for your resume purposes. Going over to the resume section itself, as the note told us there, we can select the top section here to change the layout of the resume. This is a basic pilot resume using the information that we just configured. I can change that to a chronological resume, which gives us a little bit different layout, as well as a functional resume, and again that's just a different layout. For each one of these I can use the share button here, and I can export with a message email to wherever I need to export it to. And that's our resume settings, and that's a functionality of the resume feature in APDL. Thanks for watching, and come back for the next video.